Hey Shelby, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. I want to thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting this free video on behalf of Healthy Homes. So today I'm going to go over just a few tips that you guys can apply right away, which will help you get more online visibility and get more of those organic leads coming in. It is important to note that 70% of your organic traffic comes from this website, so it is important that you have this website fully optimized. So as you can see, we're on your website, and I love your logo. That is super cute. Um, You have a decent website. It looks a little bit dated, but that's okay because Google does not rank you based on that. Um, let's see. You have a couple service pages. Now, it is important that each individual service have their own pages. Um, and let's see. This is your home page. So, um, I'm seeing keyword usage for brand, but I'm not really seeing any keywords for buyer intent that are going to get people to land on your website and get your services. Okay. And it looks like you have a pretty big service area. So you're definitely going to need a separate page for each of these communities that have any type of search volume so you can be found in these areas for your services. Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage or more if your competitors have more. This content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords, which are going to be the words people are actively searching for the services that you provide. So it's going to be really important that you guys dial in on your content and keyword strategy so you can be found for each of these services. Looking at your services and your service pages, each of these should really have their own page with their own keywords. If they're different for basements than they are for attics, then they should have additional pages as well, so that you can go after these specific unique services and be found for those services. But they all need unique content, and the content must be built around those keywords. And you're going to need more content than your top competitors. Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index each of these pages, pulling all of this unique content for keywords. And so you need to have those local keywords so that Google can rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. This is one of your top competitors in your service area. They offer some of the same services and some different services. But as you can see, they have separate pages for each of the different types of services that they offer. They have a nice looking website. They have some interlinking between pages, which you do as well. Doesn't look like they have quite enough content on their pages, so you're definitely going to need more than they do. And they do have service area pages as well. So you definitely are going to need those service area pages and to focus on your content and keywords for your relevant services. The next part is going to be search engine optimization. So this is a program called Ahrefs that helps to analyze how your website performs. As you can see, you have a rating of a 0 for your website as a whole out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have 56 backlinks. You're going to need a lot more, but it's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. You need to have high authoritative backlinks that are related to your industry, and they need to be do follow backlinks so they actually help you. You have been indexed for 46 keywords, but you're only generating on average 20 people per month to your website. Looking at these keywords and positions, you do not have any keywords that are on the first page of Google. And most of these keywords, some are buyer intent, but these are national keywords. So you need to be focused on these local buyer intent keywords here. This has 70 and it's 0 difficulty. So you should be able to rank this in no time. So you just need to work on that keyword and content strategy and then back those up with your backlinks. So now what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your services and industries, the more power it's going to give you and to help you to rank. And you also need to be linking these backlinks to your keywords so that you can rank for those keywords and be found for your services and in each of your service areas. And real quick, I think I forgot to go over your competitor. So your competitor has a rating of a 25, which is really good. And that's because they have over 3,000 backlinks. So in order to beat each of your competitors, not only is it content and keywords, but you also need more backlinks, and not just in volume, but also in quality. You need better quality backlinks than they do. Because they've been indexed for over 568 keywords, they are seeing over 552 people to their website on average per month. So this shows you the type of volume that you're missing out on by not having your website optimized. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, which you are, for not just, for both your keywords and your service areas. So in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of a business, address, phone number, and website, and having those linked in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, and LinkedIn. And so you're going to need a lot more than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service area keywords. And you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. Now, if you would like help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.